Hello, welcome to the Maintain Schedule of Classes training video. In this video, I will be explaining the Maintain Schedule of Classes page in PeopleSoft. At times, this page is used as an alternative to the class search page. The Maintain Schedule of Classes page contains more class information than class search, so it is primarily used by higher level class administrators. Navigation to the Maintain Schedule of Classes page is Curriculum Management, Schedule of Classes, Maintain Schedule of Classes. Let's go check out the page. Navigate to the Maintain Schedule of Classes page by clicking on Curriculum Management, Schedule of Classes, Maintain Schedule of Classes. There are a number of criteria that can be entered on this page to narrow your class search results. So please use as many of these as you need to get to the specific class or classes that you would like to review. I am going to use Math 20 for this example, so I will leave UPIT in the Academic Institution field, which you should always do, as that is the only institution available. Then I'll enter 2154 into the term, Math into the subject, and then 0020 into the catalog number. Then click Search. You then choose the row that you would like to review. As a note, this page will be view only for everybody outside of the University Registrar's Office and campus registrar offices. Only these offices have add and update access to these pages. If you would like to make a change to any of the class information that you see on this page, please work with your department, school, or division office to follow the appropriate class section update procedure. This page contains a great deal of class information, most of which you likely know. I'm going to just point out a few that I think are important. This is the course ID. The course ID is most often used when entering transfer and test credits. This is a class number. Class number is most often used when using Quick Enroll to enroll students in a class. When toggling to the right, you will see that the class number changes, as does other information on this page. This is because when using the arrow buttons, you are toggling to different sections of the class. This is a class component, which, as I toggle through the class sections, you will see changes from lecture to recitation, back to lecture, and then another lecture. This means that there are 3 lectures and 1 recitation offered in term 2154 for Math 20. Now let's check out the Meeting tab. On this tab, you will find a meeting pattern information, which includes the facility, the meeting start and meeting end times, as well as what days of the week that class is actually being offered. Below that, you will find the instructor ID, the instructor name, the instructor role, as well as the grade roster access. One note about the grade roster access value is that only those instructors who have approved access will be able to approve final grade rosters, and at least one instructor needs to have approved access for a grade roster to be posted to a student's record. Now to the Enrollment Control tab. On this tab, most importantly, you will find a class status, which will most frequently be active or canceled. You will also find the enrollment status, which will either be open or closed. This page also contains the enrollment capacity and the waitlist capacity. This value is the number of students that can be enrolled in this class, and this value is the number of students that are currently enrolled in this class. This value is the number of students that can be placed on this class's wait list, and this value is the number of students that are currently on this class's wait list. To return to the Maintain Schedule of Classes search page, simply click on Return to Search. If you have any questions or would like to schedule additional training, please contact the Enrollment Services area in the University Registrar's Office at 412-624-7649 or registration@registrar.pitt.edu.